The geochemical exploration methods are most widely applicable to prospect or to locate base metal deposits. The base metals include lead, copper, zinc, etc. There are certain basic principles in geochemical prospecting as mentioned below. Samples from the targeted location should be collected systematically from grid points. Geochemical analysis of the collected samples should be done to ascertain the metal content. The preparation of base maps by plotting the values would yield data about distribution of metals. The next step is to compare the obtained values to already known background values. Finally, such comparisons will yield some ideas about the hidden mineral deposits. Sampling, geochemical analysis, and interpretation of data are the three broad steps in geochemical exploration. Picking of the samples from surface soil, stream sediment, water bodies, etc. in the targeted location is the first step in geochemical exploration. Samples should be collected from well-planned grid points at regular intervals. Drawing of the grid lines does depend on the attitude of mineral deposits and many other factors. Generally, they are drawn transverse to the strike direction of mineralization area. The samples should weigh about 100 grams per grid. The stream sediments are generally picked at intervals of 0.15 kilometers. The water samples can be collected from underground, rivers, lakes, etc. This type of sampling is generally done for atomic minerals such as uranium and occasionally for exploring copper, lead, and zinc. Chips of rocks will be collected from outcrops in the case of rock sampling. Such samples need to be crushed to -100 mesh size and should be thoroughly analyzed for metal content. All the samples picked in the above-mentioned methods should be subjected to rapid geochemical analysis to know the metal content in them. Graphical statistical methods and computers would facilitate to interpret the data obtained from geochemical prospecting. The location dominated by anomalous values is a clue for hidden mineral deposits. The following method is followed to prospect oil and gas. The direct methods utilize gas and bitumen as indicators. The indirect methods use hydrochemicals, soil salts, etc. as indicators. Methane, ethane, propane, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. are the gases associated with petroleum. These gases are highly mobile in nature. Hence they move upwards and reach the surface. Thus, the soils get enriched with them. The collected samples should be analyzed chemically to assess the quantity of hydrocarbon gases present in them. The results obtained should be noted on maps. Thus the locations of oil and gas deposits can be found.